Well, the saguaro is just a fascinating and amazing species. It is a cactus, but is the largest North American cactus, and it's found in a lot of tree guidebooks because it's kind of the tree of cacti. The most tree-like cactus, the biggest and the tallest. The tallest was over 50 feet tall. They grow at a glacial pace. You could have a 5-year-old saguaro that's an inch or two tall. They aren't considered mature until they get to be about 75. And they don't form their arms until they're decades old. The way that saguaros reproduce is part of this amazing mutualistic interaction with the other species in the desert. All kinds of critters are looking to it for food and sustenance, as well as habitat. When the desert gets water, the saguaro has evolved to be an expert water gatherer. It's got 2 different kinds of roots. All of those amazing pleats in the body of the cactus expand just like an accordion. This is a cactus that can weigh tons. It can weigh more than 2 Humvees. The flowers come out and they only bloom at night. They produce 1 batch at night when they open up at first, and that attracts all these bats and night moths. And then by morning time, this cactus amazingly is producing another batch of nectar for bees and birds, such as the white-winged doves. I love the way this cactus interacts with the bird life and the other animals and insects in the Sonoran Desert to promote its own well-being, its own reproductive cycle, at the same time supporting the lives of all these creatures. They are a true keystone species. Cactus king, baby. Cactus king.